Hey besties, happy Tuesday. You know what that means. It's time for a quick tip. Today we're going to be talking about lifting and how to prevent it. Let's get to it. Why does lifting even happen? For me, I think the key point is proper preparation. As long as we prepare this nail, everything should adhere properly to prevent any lifting. So let me show you how I properly prep the nail before any acrylic or dipping application. We want to look at the nail. As you can see here, there is grown out cuticle on this nail plate. We want to push it back and remove it. If we were to leave that dead cuticle on the nail plate, that would keep the product from adhering to this area of the nail and most likely will lift within 2 days. And we don't want that. So first things first, I like to get my cuticle pusher. By pushing back with the cuticle pusher, you'll start revealing all the dead tissue that we want to remove. While doing this, you want to make sure you're not going too rough. You want to stay a little gentle. We don't want to hurt the live cuticle on the nail, so make sure we stay only on the nail plate. With the other end of the cuticle pusher, I like to scrape back what we've already revealed. So now I'm going to get a medium grit file and remove all the shine away from this nail. While I'm hitting the file, I like to go near the cuticle edge to just make sure I removed that dead tissue, and this is kind of like a good second stab, just a second sweep against the cuticle. Now I'm gonna get my E-file with a medium grit band and gently kiss the surface of the nail to remove any extra shine I may have left behind. Now that we've removed all the dead tissue, we wanna make sure that we have no oils left in the nail, so for this we can use a dehydrator. And this is gonna completely dry out the oils. And I like to apply this entirely onto the nail plate. Then for even more assurance, I like to apply a primer. Primer's a little funny. It actually creates little pin-size holes onto the nail plate, and this is what helps the acrylic attach. Fun little fact. And with these tips, you should have a properly prepped nail to avoid any lifting. And there you have it, guys, our Quick Tip Tuesday. As always, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that bell to be notified when we have new videos to share with you. See you guys next time. Bye, besties.